Dobar dan, prijatelji. Did you know that there is a way to support the Let's Learn Croatian podcast and YouTube channel and get extra content? Tony D, how can they find it and gain access?
It's super easy. There's a couple of ways. If they go to our website, www.letslearncroatian.com, they will see a Buy the LLC a Coffee button at the bottom of each page. They can also find it in our link tree from the LLC Pod Instagram page, and it's also linked in the show notes of each of our YouTube video lessons. Once they get there, they can choose to buy us as many coffees as they want, or they can opt in to become an LLC member.
Odlično, Tony D. Absolutely. For $5 a month, you can become a Kikiriki member. As a member, you'll receive a shout out on the pod thanking you for all to hear. And in the mail, we'll send you a handwritten letter from yours truly, thanking you, supporting all things LLC, an official LLC member magnet, an LLC sticker, and automatic entry into each LLC raffle that we do for as long as you remember. And for $10 a month, you can become a Smokeful member and get everything I just mentioned and so much more. DJ Mo, what kind of content do we have available?
Lots! With the Smokeful membership, you unlock a quiz for almost every lesson we've made. We have over 90 lessons from our podcast, and our goal is to have a quiz for every one of them. There's also all the songs and lyrics, so you too can sing along with us and learn the Hrvatski language in a whole new way. We also have the audio from our dialogues and their written parts, so you can follow along with a few of our native-speaking friends of the pod, as well as the full Priče with Beppo audio and transcripts. And lastly, our version of a Croatian phrase pocket guide to help jumpstart your language journey and have you start communicating sooner.
Puno hvala for taking time to listen to our podcast and watching our YouTube videos. We try to share as much Croatian language, culture, and travel content as we can. We hope you find our non-scholastic, conversational Croatian language approach helpful and are able to support our efforts. Puno hvala I čuvaj se.
3, 4, sad.
So we're going to kind of
Trademark.
stick with casual menswear today, for instance. So we're going to leave the dresses and the skirts and the brassieres and all that man's ears. We're going to leave that for the next episode of clothing. So we're doing clothing part 1. The word for clothing, this is a new word for me, odjeća.
Odjeća.
So a word I'm more familiar with for clothing is roba. But roba kind of like entails everything with goods, and you can kind of hear it's like kind of close to ropa, right, in Spanish. So it's more of an Italian word, an old school Dalmatian word.
I was thinking robe, like
Close, yeah, right? So yeah, that's it. Same neighborhood. But so proper Croatian is odjeća.
odjeća.
It's clothing. Got it. So first layer, underwear, right? So the first layer that you got to put on, maybe not all of us, but, you know, most of us, the word for underwear is gaćice.
Gaćice?
Right, so Dalmatian way of saying pants is gaće, but the proper way of saying, so remember how we said, you say like kuća is house, kućica is a little house, right? So there's gaće and gaćice are the small ones. So
Little pants.
Little pants. So gaćice, underpants, underwear.
Gaćice. And I noticed has the C with well,
It's the soft
Yeah.
ch, right?
yeah.
So
Gaćice.
odjeća and gaćice have the soft ch.
Yeah, so it's like the half of the little V
Yeah,
hat.
it's just like a very traditional 1/. Got it?
Gaćice.
So gaćice is underwear. On top of that, you put your pants on. The Croatian word for pants is hlače.
Hlače.
Ponovi opet, Tony. Hlače.
Hlače.
So give me more of an a. You're doing like ha. Give me an a, like hlače.
Hlače?
Yeah, hlače, like laughter. Give me that kind of a instead of like a talk. You give me a a, like a really nice soft a.
Hlače.
Oh, not like a country boy. Hlače.
Trying to get my mouth right, you know?
Yeah.
Hlače.
Bravo. Hlače. Odlično. So top layer, a t-shirt. Nice and simple. All of us are wearing t-shirts now. The word for t-shirt is majica.
Majica.
Right. That's a nice simple t-shirt, right? What we sell on the website.
Oh, yeah.
Plug. Majica.
Majica.
Excellent. So now moving on from majica, a little bit nicer. Let's say you're going into a job interview or going to church. You might wear a collared shirt. So the word for a collared shirt is košulja.
Košulja.
So remember, there's that LJ in there.
Yeah.
So you got košulja.
Košulja.
Bravo. Košulja.
Košulja.
So there's a famous band, Novi Fasili, there's a song called Košulja plava. So, and the whole line is Tvoja košulja plava. So last episode we learned Tvoja,
Is it your
yours, košulja,
shirt?
Sure.
your collared shirt,
Uh-huh.
plava.
Blue.
Yeah, there you go.
Blue shirt.
Tvoja košulja plava.
Your blue shirt.
Your blue shirt, like something that someone left, a romantic interlude that happened. And you have a reminder of them, the košulja plava. Anyway, majica is t-shirt, Tony? Majica?
Majica.
Košulja is collared shirt.
Košulja.
Yeah, that could be a polo shirt or nicer looking shirt. And this is a very big time Croatian word, right? Croatians invented the tie.
Mm-hmm.
What?
And I still
They
don't know.
did?
I still don't know how to do it. So that's happening when you don't ever have to wear business formal. The word for tie is kravata.
Kravata.
What word does that sound like? Kravata, right? Getting there. Close.
I think you're reaching there.
Reaching, big time reach. Kravata.
Kravata.
Super. Kravata is a tie. Next. So we did the top half, shirt, pants. We even put a nice little tie on there. Got the underwear underneath the pants, Tony, this time. And then
Oh.
we got the bottom layer, the very bottoms we're going to walk on. You need to wear socks. So the word for socks are čarape.
Čarape.
Bravo. Do you remember the old TV show I told you guys about? Pippi, Duga, čarape.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Maybe long
Maybe
stockings.
Pippi Longstocking. So Duga is long, like Dugiotok is Long Island. Duga čarapa is long sock. Pippi
What
Longstocking.
about Doogie Howser? No? Wait, so
Čarape.
čarape.
Čarape are socks.
Yeah, so looking at it, it looks like carapi.
Carapi, but it's čarape.
Čarape.
Bravo. The word for shoes. There's shoes, there's sandals, there's boots, there's cowboy boots. I've never seen cowboy boots in Croatia, might be a thing.
No?
It's a thing.
It is?
I don't know.
Okay. The word for shoes, cipele.
Cipele.
So t with a ts, that c. Cipele.
Cipele.
Bravo. Cipele.
Cipele.
Super. Let's ponovi opet. Let's repeat it all and summarize. Here we go. The word for clothing, odjeća.
Odjeća.
Super. The word for underwear, gaćice.
Gaćice.
Bravo. The word for pants, hlače.
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 Bravo. Bolje. The word for t-shirt, majica.
Majica.
Super. The word for collared shirt or nicer shirt is košulja.
Košulja.
It's a nice word, right? It's a fun word to say. Košulja.
Košulja.
Super. The word for tie, kravata.
Kravata.
Bravo. The word for socks, čarape.
Čarape.
Super. The word for shoes is cipele.
Cipele.
Odlično.
Don't forget to hit subscribe
and smash that like button.